Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, my name is Lenny, but you can all call me Teacher Len. I am your teacher for the subject Mathematics. Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we will have a game called Pop to Solve. So this class will be divided into two groups. This will be the group 1 or the math lover group, and this will be the group 2 or the math genius group. So each member will pop the balloon, and inside the balloon there is a strip of paper that consists of 5 questions. So the group who finishes it first will be declared as winner. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you may now take your, you may now prepare rather. Choose who will be the first one to pop the balloon. Okay. Okay. So, when I say go, you will pop the balloon, and you go there. No, you sit here. Tapos you will be the one to pop, right? Okay. So put your balloon in your lock. Put the balloon in your lock. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So in 3, 2, 1. Wait lang. I will give you first a chalk. Write your answer to the board. Yeah. Tapos paguman yung answer. Tapos paguman. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! 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 Go, write your answer to the board. Write your answer to the board. Okay, go! Go! Okay, next one. You go there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Right, yes. Right, yes. We have the winner. The group 2 is the winner of this game. Let's give a round of applause for ourselves. Okay, very good. So fast. Why do you think group 2 won the game? Anybody? Why do you think group 2 won the game? Yes, please.
Because they shared ideas and they do have teamwork, teacher.
Okay, very good. So class, it is important that every teamwork, it is really important that in every group work there is teamwork, because teamwork makes the dream works. Alright, so is anybody here remember what we have tackled yesterday? Yes, please?
We have discussed about the subtraction of whole number, teacher.
Okay, very good. So I have here one question, just a short recap if you have fully understood our topic yesterday. Okay, so this is the question. 8 minus 8. Yes, please?
0, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, now that you have fully understood our lesson yesterday, are you ready for the next game?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So the same group will do. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So I have here 5 flashcards. And the first group who scores 3 points will be declared as winner. And also, in order for you to answer this question, you will stomp your foot, and that is to say that, and that means that you will answer the question. Okay, please follow your line over there. Okay. No, this is the group 1 and the group 2. Okay, very good. So question number 1. 10 times Okay, very good. The answer is 200. Next, 15 times 5. Yes, please.
25.
Okay, very good. The answer is 25. Anyways, your other teammate can answer too. Okay. So 7 times 7.
49.
Okay, very good. 8 times 5.
40.
Very good. So the winner is the group 1. Let us give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, so class, again, why do you think group 1, this time group 1 won the game? Okay, because they have shared ideas. Okay, now, is any one of you have an idea on what is going to be our topic today? Yes, please?
As what I have observed, teacher, is you are most likely making us solve some numbers.
Okay, very good. How about other ideas? Yes, please?
I think, teacher, it has to do with multiplication.
Yes, very good. So our topic for today is all about calculating discounts and original price. Okay, so first, let us have an action song to be led by Ona Nicolette Bahian. Classmates, please stand up.
1, 2, 3,
Go. It's God, it's God, it's God Hope Community. It's God, it's God, it's God Hope Community. It's God, it's God, it's God Hope Community. It's God Hope Community. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in the deep blue sea. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in the deep blue sea. Okay, please take a seat. Now that you have physically and emotionally exercised, what are the set of rules that we usually imply during discussion? Anybody? What are the rules? Yes, please?
Listen carefully.
Okay, very good. How about the second rule? Yes, please?
Speak only if I allow you.
Okay, very good. How about the third rule? Yes, please?
Raise your hand if you will excuse yourself.
Okay, how about the fourth and last rule? Yes, please?
Raise your hand if you will excuse yourself.
Okay, very good. So do you understand that set of rules, Section Mango?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So let us start our discussion. So who among you have already go or visited the malls?
Me, teacher.
Okay, very good. So all of us have already go to mall. So in Butuan, we have 3 malls. We have the Robinsons, Gaisano, and the supermarket malls. Okay, so in visiting malls, have you seen this kind of illustration?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you do. Okay, this illustration right here is what we call, sales. It is what we call discount. Again, what is this illustration?
Discount.
Teacher.
Okay, very good. So what is discount? Discount is a reduced price offered by a business on a product. Again, what is discount?
A reduced price offered by a business on a product.
Okay, very good. So, I want you to remember the keyword for the word discount. So, the keyword for this is the reduced price. Alright, so if ever you hear the word reduced price, it is referring to the discount. Again, what is the keyword for the discount?
Reduce.
Of reduced
Price.
price. Very good. Now let's move with this illustration right here?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, it is. So this is what we call price tag. So the original price, so in price tag, what do we see in the price tag? It's original price. So original price is known as the mark price of the item. That is to say that whatever price that we usually see on the item, that is what we call the original price. And again, what is original price again?
It's known as the mark price of the item.
Okay, very good. So this word have also a keyword, and that is the mark price, which means that is being posted on the price tag. So again, what is the keyword for the original price?
Mark
Mark
price.
price.
Okay, very good. Now that you have fully understood the definition of the discount and the original price, let us move on to the calculation. Okay, so let us first calculate the discount, sales discount. Okay, so please read the example number 1.
Anna wanted to buy pants for only 500 pesos with a 10% sales discount.
And of course, calculation calculation wouldn't be complete without the steps. So we have 5 steps to follow. Alright. So this is the steps for calculating discount, and this one is the original price. So we start here. Okay. So for the step 1, kindly read the step 1.
Look for the original price.
Okay, so Anna wanted to buy pants for only 500 pesos with a 10% sales discount. So, what do you think is the original price of this word problem?
500.
Okay, very good. So, we have the step 1. I forget. We also have a formula to be followed. Okay, so original price minus original price multiplied by the discount percentage equals discounted price. Okay, so we will follow this formula. So first, step 1 is to look for the original price. So we put here, so we put here, what is the original price again?
500.
Okay, 500. Okay, so we are done with the step 1. Let's go to the step 2. So please read.
Look for the discount percentage.
Okay, so looking back to the word problem, what is the discount percentage?
10%.
Okay, very good. It's 10%. So we put here original price 500 times, okay, so we have here, right, the 10% discount. Okay, we go to the step 3. Please read.
Convert the percentage into decimal.
So, we will convert this 10% into a decimal form. By how? Okay, we will convert this by dividing 100. So, please get on your calculator and together, we will solve the 10 divided by 100.
0.1.
Okay, very good. It's 0.1 or 0.10. So now that we have converted this, we will now put this in our formula. It's 0.1 equals the discounted price. Okay, very good. So now, before we solve this discount percentage, let us have this step 4, which is
Multiply original price by the converted discount.
okay, very good. So, did we already have converted it to decimal point? Yes, we do. Okay, so now please calculate 500 times 0.1.
50, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, the next think is that you will just copy this one. You copy. And then, what is the result of 500 divided by 0.1? It's 50. Alright, very good. It's 50 equals the discount price. Now that we have two numbers here, so we can easily subtract it. So please subtract 500. Subtract the savings from the original price. Alright. 500 minus 50.
450.
Okay, very good. So we have here 450. So who can conclude? Who can conclude? Okay. So in conclusion, if Anna will buy the pants, she will only be getting it by 450 instead of
500.
because of the discounts. Very good. So let's have example number 2. Okay, so please read the example number 2.
The Barbie doll is worth 700 pesos and is leased by 30%. How much does it cost if Lala will buy the item?
Okay, very good. So we are referring to the discount. So once again, what is our formula for calculating the discount?
Original price minus original price times
Discount percentage. Okay, so who want here to base this word problems? Can you write here what is the original price that is being stated in the step 1? Okay, go. Okay, very good. So what we have here 700. Is her answer correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So moving to the step 2. Look for the discount percentage. Knowing the discount percentage, do we need to put, no, okay. So what are we going to do in the discount percentage? Convert it into a decimal point by dividing 100. Very good. So what is the discount percentage in the word problem? Yes? No, just state it. 0.30. And how much is it when it's divided into 100? Please write it here. It's point. Okay, is her answer correct?
Yes.
Is it already converted into a decimal point?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, it is. Now, what is the last step? Subtract the savings from the original price. So, who can answer this one? I know, not yet, but sorry, I'm sorry. We have to multiply, alright? I'm sorry. So, now that we have 0.30, we will multiply it by the original price, which is 700. So, please calculate 700 times 0.30.
210.
Okay, so this is not 0.30, it's 210. Okay, now that we have two numbers left, can you calculate or can you subtract 700 minus 210 and then please write it on the board? Yes?
Please.
Okay, very good. Is her answer correct?
Yes,
Okay, let's give a round of applause for ourselves. Now, do you have any questions, clarifications for the calculation of discount? None so far. Okay, let's move on to Okay, all together, please read the example number 1.
Lenny bought her pair of earrings for only 1,000. How much is the original price if it has 60% off?
So what is being asked to this question?
Original price.
Okay, very good. Original price. Now that we have done familiarizing the formula of discount, let's go to the original price. So the formula of calculating original price is discounted price equals 100% divided and minus discount percentage multiplied by the original price. So as you have observed, it is more complex than the other one. But of course, we have steps 4. Alright, so step 1, please read the step 1. Yes, please.
Look for the discount price.
Okay, we are looking for the discount price or the discounted price. Alright, based on this word problem, how much is the discounted price? It's 1,000 pesos. Alright, we will be writing here 1,000. Okay, so we just have to copy 100%. Just copy it, 100%. And based on this, again, based on this word problem, what is, I know, please read the step number 2. Look for the discount percent. And how much is our discount percent here? It's 50%. Okay. Multiplied by, how much again is the original price? No. So we are still looking for it. We are still looking for the original price. Okay. Let's go to the step number 3. Please, all together, read the step number 3.
Subtract 100% to the discount percentage.
Okay, very good. So we will subtract this one first. So 100 minus 50.
50.
Okay, very good. So copy down. Copy this. Equals, again, what is it?
50%.
Okay, 50%. Times unknown. Okay, so the same with the calculation of discount price at still discount, we have to convert this percentage into a decimal point. So how do we convert it? By dividing 100. So please, 50 divided by 100. It's 0.50. Okay, 0.5 or 0.50. And the original price is still unknown, right? Okay, so let's move to the step and the final step of calculation. Okay, express as an algebraic equation where y is the original price. So since our y is missing, we will write this equation into an algebraic equation, which is, just copy this, and then 0.5, and then let's have the original price as y, right? So this is the original price. And then divide each side by the discount percentage. So in order for us to eliminate this one and to look for the original price, let us divide both sides by 0.5. Alright, so please calculate 0.5. Oh, it's 1,000 rather. Okay, it's 1,000. So 1,000 divided by 0.5. Please calculate. What is the answer? Yes? It's
2,000.
okay, very good. So now the original price of the earrings that Lalay bought is 2,000. Okay. Okay, let's have another example for you to understand it more. Okay. So all together, please read example number 2. Ay, ito.
Jay bought a Lee brand short for only 600 with a discount of 80%.
Okay. So what is our step 1 again?
Look for the discount price.
Okay. And how much is a discount price? It's 600. Okay, it's 600. So again, we will just copy the 100%. And what is the discount percentage?
80%.
What is it? Okay, 80%. Times what is the original price?
Unknown.
It's
Unknown.
unknown. Okay. So after that, we have to subtract 100 to the discount percentage. So 100 minus 80 equals
20%.
Okay, it's 20%. So we will copy this one, and then let's put here 20%, and the original price is still missing. Okay, so how do we convert this discount percentage again?
Into decimal term.
By
Dividing.
dividing 100. So what is 20 divided by 100? It's 0.2. Okay, it's 0.2. Okay, so all together, please divide 0.2 to 600. Yeah, divide 600 divided by 0.2.
3,000.
Okay, so who can conclude in this word problem? Who can conclude? Yes, please.
I conclude that the original price of the branded shorts is 300,000.
Okay, very good. So, instead of 300,000, Jay already bought.
Teacher,
Yes. Okay, yes, please. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so instead of 3,000, he will only be getting it by 600 pesos. Okay, so do you have any clarifications, any questions, doubts towards our discussion for today?
None, teacher.
Okay, very good. Let's give a round of applause for ourselves. Okay. Now that we have fully understood our topic, let me ask you some questions. Okay, can somebody here give me what are the steps on calculating discount? Yes, please.
Step 1, look for the original price. Step 2, look for the discount percentage. Step 3, convert the percentage into decimal. Step 4, multiply original price by the converted discount. And step 5, subtract the savings from the original price.
Okay, very good. Let's give Jeromel a round of applause. Okay, next question. Who can give me the steps on calculating original price? Yes, please.
Step 1, identify the discount price. Step 2, identify the discount percent. Step 3, subtract the 100% to the discount percent. Step 4, divide each side by the discount percentage.
Okay, very good. And again, what is the keyword for the discount?
Reduced price.
Okay, very good. How about the original price?
Marked price.
Okay, very good. Let's give a round of applause for ourselves. Okay, now we will have a application, and this time the same group will do. Okay, so I will be giving you papers, and in here it already have questions for you to answer. I will only be giving you 5 minutes to answer the question, and after that we will be having assessment. Are you done? Are you finished, guys?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Please submit your paper. Oh. Okay. So let's go to the assessment, and we will questions for you to answer. So, it is only 5 questions. Okay. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please submit your paper. Okay, now, are you excited of going home?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let us have an assignment first. So, it will be passed tomorrow. It will be passed tomorrow, okay? So, make it perfect. Because I will give a reward when you will perfect your assignment. Okay, class, I think